Hi, I'm Samuel T. Rodgers, and this is my cameraman Ryan.
Hello.
And today, we're up in Big Bear, California, and we're here on a very special expedition as we attempt to hunt the big bear. Now, the best thing to do when you're hunting is to use all your resources. And since we're up at a camp, the best thing would be to find someone who knows the area. So we're going to ask a ranger or some of the staff just where we can find one of these big bears. Come on. Alright, so being that there's no staff to be found. It's a very nice arcade. Alright, so it appears that we can't find any of the staff. So we're just going to go asking around to see if anybody knows anything about the big bear. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, so today, finally found somebody. What's your name?
My name is Kyle.
Alright, Kyle. I have a simple question for you. Do you know where we could find the big bear?
Big bear. I've never heard of a big bear. I really don't think there's a big bear.
Oh, no big bear. I got you. I'll come back when nobody's listening. We'll discuss this. Alright, what's your name?
Jeff.
Alright, Jeff, would you happen to know where we could find the big bear?
Oh yeah, over the hill and to the right.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So excited, I'm gonna find it. And what the? Over the hill and to the right. There's no big bear. You don't think he was talking about the mountain? So we happen to be on the mountain. I found it. The big bear. Oh. Mission has been accomplished today. Beautiful little specimen. Let's go into the gift shop.